Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Atlas door handle. Start by disconnecting the battery and lowering the window a few inches, then remove the inner door panel screws and clips with the trim tool. Carefully peel back the panel enough to access the latch rods and electrical connectors. Use the Torx T20 to remove the handle mounting bolts, support the handle while pulling it free, and set parts aside in order. With the window lowered, remove screws at the armrest and speaker, then pry the trim panel free using a plastic tool to protect paint. Work along the panel edge to release clips, lift the panel up and off the window channel, and disconnect any wiring harnesses for switches and speakers. Set the panel on a clean surface and keep all fasteners organized so reassembly is quick and simple. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty to keep you comfortable during long repair sessions. I linked the socks and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Support the interior handle area as you detach the linkage clip and slide rods free, taking note of their orientation for reassembly. Unplug any electrical connectors, then remove the mounting bolts securing the handle with a Torx T20. Gently pull the handle outward while guiding the rods and wiring through the opening to avoid snags, and inspect the gaskets and clips for wear so you can replace them if needed before reinstalling the new or repaired handle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.